To hide likes on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app and navigating to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, select the Account option and then choose the Post section. In this section, look for the option that says Hide Like and View Counts and toggle it on. By doing this, you will no longer see the like and view counts on your own posts or on the posts of others. This feature allows you to use Instagram without the distraction of likes and view counts. And it also hides this information from your followers. Alternatively, you can also choose to hide like and view counts on a per post basis. To do this, start by creating a new post or editing an existing one. On the post editing screen, tap the Advanced Settings option at the bottom of the screen. In the Advanced Settings menu, look for the option that says Hide Like and View Counts and toggle it on. This will hide the like and view counts for the specific post you are creating or editing. It is also worth noting that hiding like and view counts does not affect the functionality of Instagram in any other way. You will still be able to like and comment on posts, and your followers will still be able to interact with your content. The main purpose of hiding like and view counts is to reduce the emphasis on these metrics and to create a more positive and less competitive environment on the platform. By hiding like and view counts, you can focus on creating and sharing content without worrying about how many likes and views it gets. Overall, hiding like and view counts on Instagram is a simple process that can help you to use the platform in a more mindful and intentional way. By following these steps, you can take control of your Instagram experience and create a more positive and supportive community.